Ian. What? Oh, wait. Oh, is it? Oh, shoot. Hi, my name is Ian. I'm with the Blazer Theater Organization. We're a group of actors from UAB who have, for some reason, decided to do a fish fry competition. Why are we doing this? How does this work? What is this, a camping stove?
Can I see this?
Is it not?
We're just fixing it.
Oh, okay, fine. Wait. All right, so today we're going to be cooking fried catfish with vegetables. You will need catfish. I have here a fillet of, it says catfish on the fillet. So the first thing we're going to need to do is cut the catfish out. All right, so first you have to rinse the fish, right?
Yes.
Okay. First you rinse the fish. There's a river. Can I?
No.
Okay. So rinse the fish. All right. Next up, you will have to heat oil in a large skillet. You know how much I'm supposed to use? I don't know. I'm just gonna. Okay. Now that you've got the oil heating up, you're going to want a bowl of flour, which I have here. You want to add to the flour salt. Oh, you didn't take the plastic off the salt. I guess just use your best judgment, you know? Pepper. Sauces, or no, not sauces, seasonings. This is ancho chili pepper. This is curry powder. I thought it said onion. Do we have onion powder? Do you not? Is it not? Okay, fine. If you have onion powder, add it. If not, I don't know, just find something. Okay, so you add garlic, paprika, onion, flour, salt, pepper, Cajun seasoning. We don't have all that, but you should somewhere at your house. Do we not have all that? Is it supposed to? Angus, why does it say Nerf gun in the script? Oh! Next up, you're going to want to provide some kind of sauce, because as everybody knows, fried fish is better with sauce. You can use a remoulade sauce or a Cajun sauce or like a mayonnaise sauce. The trick is in the preparation. I have mine pre-prepared. This is a dill sauce. It's got dill in it. I think it smells like dill. So we'll set that aside for now and come back to it later. Next up, we're going to make our eggs. So we have our flour mixture. I'll mix it up later. Next up, we're going to need an egg. For one piece of fish, one large egg will do. You simply crack it. You will crack the egg. Ah, there we go. You crack the egg into a bowl, like that. Next up, you're going to whisk it. Now, you know, it's like my father always used to say. You know, if you want to be a chef, sometimes you just got to be prepared to be able to take whisks. Ow! After you've beat your eggs, you need to do breading. You can use any kind of standard breading, panko or breadcrumbs or make your own, or I don't know. This kind, you've got to use like a cup. Yeah, a cup. A cup. Wow, that's terrible. Wow. Really thought that was going to be tasty. Dredge the fish in the flour. Dip fish in eggs. Okay. See, dip makes sense. I get dip. Angus, I'm gonna need paper towels. Come here, give me a paper towel. Come on, hand me paper towels. Come on, boy. I need paper towels, Angus. Just come here. Dredge in. Why dredge? What's dredge? Dredge? Like dredge? Like. Does that make you happy? And then do the other one. As I clearly remembered to mention in the last clip, you will need a plate set aside to put your fish on. You will also need water to wash your hands with. I mean, we don't have a sink. Come on, just don't use up too much. It's got to last. Right? So, proper hygiene in the kitchen is always very important. Always wash your hands out with soap and with water. But no, come on, keep going, come on. So next you'll transfer your fish from the plate into the oil, which I guess is hot? I don't know. You will use tongs to transfer the fish and keep your hands from getting dirty. So yeah, you'll do the fish into the oil. And then cook 3 to 5 minutes aside or until golden brown.
Ian, we're rolling.
Okay, so let's turn the fish. Oh, actually it doesn't look bad. Let that cook for a minute. Yeah. Cook your fish. Vegetables. Do these need to be like, can you just eat raw coleslaw? I don't know.
Pretty sure.
Okay. Yeah. So we're just going to do vegetables. Oh, God. Oh, my goodness. So you're going to want to flip your fish. Oh, God. Okay. Scramble your fish. You're good. You're good.
No.
Okay. The fish is cooking. Do you know how much we need?
Nope.
Okay. We're just going to go with this. I mean, you know, it's not like anyone's going to eat this, right? Do I have to eat this? You set your tomato aside, and you take your slices, and you do that with them. I don't know, that kind of looks pretty. I like that. Sure, why not? Okay, so we've got our fish frying, scrambling, frying. Yeah, frying. I'm gonna flip it over carefully. Oh God, okay. So that looks golden brown. Yeah, it's got like a little bit of crisp to it. That's whatever. Who cares about that? That's doomed. We don't talk about that. But this is nice. It's got a good crust, you know? It's like my father, crusty on the outside and mediumly well cooked on the inside. It died. Do I turn it back on?
Yeah.
Does it just like click? It's still hissing. Is it supposed to be hissing?
Yeah.
I got a lighter. Should I just like, I can just, is this cool? It's making a hissing noise. I don't know if it's supposed to be making a hissing noise. So you're going to want to make sure that once you've cleaned off with your fish, you take your fish out of the bucket, you transfer it to the plate. After that, is it bad? Like all over?
It's not great.
Just forget that. Okay, just sit down. Whatever. Go away. And here we have a lovely meal. I recommend a dressing. This is coleslaw dressing, which has, it's mostly just corn syrup. So I recommend a corn syrup dressing. Okay, so just do that. Food. My name is Ian. I am a member of the Blazer Theater Organization at UAB. And this is our submission for the Cahaba River Society Annual Fish Fry Down. We support the Cahaba River Society and the Cahaba River in the fight to protect the river because of its incredible biodiversity and asset to Birmingham as both a natural resource and a drinking water resource. Everyone needs to cherish this river, and so we have cooked a fish to prove how much we love the river. If you shoot me with that dart, I'm going to throw you in the river. I swear. Don't do it. That concludes our cooking video and submission. Thank you for watching.
You gotta eat it.
I gotta eat it?
Yeah.
You sure?
You cooked it. You gotta show them it's edible.
Okay. So, once you've cooked your fish, it's time to dig in and enjoy. That's what the sauce you prepared earlier was. This is tartar sauce with some dill in it. So you're just going to take your tartar sauce and, just kind of on the plate there. Next up, you're going to eat it, with your mouth. Can we cut? Can we do that?
Nope, we gotta show you doing it.
Okay. Kind of did scramble it a little bit. That's a lot of dill. Wow. It's not bad. So yeah, this is the Blazer Theater Organization's submission for the Cahaba River Fish Fry Down. Thank you for watching, and I hope you will join us next time. Lemon. Was I supposed to use the lemon?
Pretty sure.
Is it a lemon? I can just cut the... Oh! Ooh. Oh, man. My name is Ian.
My name's Angus.
Thank you for watching this video. We are both members of the Blazer Theater Organization, and we both support the Cahaba River Society and the Cahaba River. Thanks for coming to watch this fry down. No, I'm drinking it. I'm drinking it.
No.
I'm drinking it. You can't stop me. No, you can't stop me.